Okay guys, welcome back. Carrying on with a little bit of truck maintenance here. So the next on our agenda is this engine cover. You ever needed to get this off for one reason or another? Well, let's give it a go. There's one. Oh. All right. I think there's another one in this hole. Yeah, there was. Okay, seems like it just slides. Wants to slide out of there. Huh. Pretty straightforward stuff in my books. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. Let's give things a little rinse while we're out here. I know I was on the fence about washing the engine, but you know, this shit has a certain tolerance. Oops. Stuff has a certain tolerance for being wet. I'm just going to cover up the electrical box. Okay, got a big old piece of saran wrap. Wish the stores still gave out plastic shopping bags. Those are perfect. The saran wrap is awkward as frig to work with. Tell me about it. Okay, let's get some little bit of APC. Caught him with damn balls. Alright. Okay, there you have it guys. Nice clean. Figured out how to get the engine bay cover off. Video might be a little choppy because the piece of crap iPhone kept overheating, which is one reason why I advise do not film with your iPhone because it overheats too bloody easy, but whatever. Anyways, that's it. Comment, subscribe, give her a like. See you on the next one. Sayonara. Oh, let's throw our blanket down because when you're leaning over, it's hard on the old gut. Okay guys, let's put this back on. There's a couple little, I don't know if you can see little grommet holes, little grommets are sticking out right here, little prongy things, and they fit into some little grommet holes in the back there. Just gotta finagle it in is all you gotta do. And you'll probably kind of know when you got it. Yeah, right. All you got to do is finagle it in. It probably took me like about over 5 minutes to get this little thing in, trying to shimmy it in and get the two little prongs into the grommet holes. Good friggin' Lord, what a pile of mucking around malarkey that was. I must have just had bad luck that day because I was struggling, man.